Let's talk about a few conventions needed when doing Punnett squares or pedigrees. Let's do that for just a minute. It's important to have a key to describe what is being discussed on this page. Big R stands for right-handed. It is a dominant allele. It rules over the recessive. Little r. To manifest left-handedness, the entity, the person must have little r. That's our key. So let's look at the Punnett squares first. If the dad has big R, he is homozygous, but he's also dominant, whereas the mother has the same alleles, but she's homozygous recessive. She actually manifests the left-handed trait. All of the children in this Punnett square are heterozygous dominant. They will all be right-handed, but they're not exactly like their dad, are they? They're not homozygous dominant. When we look at a pedigree, this, by the way, is the parental generation. And then this would be the first filial. Two generations represented. This connecting bar represents one generation going to the next. Let's go back to the parental generation for just a minute. The round circle represents female. The square represents male. And then in the children, we have what? What sexes do we have here? We have female, female, and we have male. This was part of a left-handed pedigree puzzle that we just did. Thought it would be useful to go back and look at some of the conventions that we see. Another thing that I forgot to talk about is this connecting bar here. Directly between the circle and the square represents mating partners. Thank you. All right, there we go. I think that'll do it for now. It's kind of a beginner look at some of the vocabulary with Punnett squares and pedigrees.